Welcome to another episode of Foodie Facts. Today we'll be taking you on a journey of discovery on the century egg. The century egg, also known as preserved egg or 100-year egg, originated in China. Despite its name, it is not actually a century old, but rather preserved for several weeks to several months using a mixture of clay, ash, salt, quicklime, and rice straw. This delicacy has a distinct appearance with its translucent amber-colored egg, white and creamy greenish yolk. Its history dates back to the Ming dynasty, where it was created as a method of preserving eggs for long periods. The production process involves coating the eggs in a mixture of clay, ash, salt, quicklime and rice straw, then allowing them to ferment. This unique method results in a creamy, cheese-like flavor with an ammonia-like aroma. Century eggs are widely used in Chinese cuisine, often served as a topping for congee or mixed into savory dishes. Some believe it has health benefits, such as being rich in protein and low in carbohydrates. However, caution is advised due to its high sodium content and the potential presence of lead, as the preservation process may lead to trace amounts of lead in the eggs. In traditional Chinese medicine, century eggs are believed to have cooling properties and are used to alleviate symptoms of heat-related illnesses. When consuming century eggs, it's important to be mindful of the high calorific content and sodium levels. Moderation is key when enjoying this delicacy. Have you ever tried century egg? What did you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more foodie facts. Thanks for watching.